P81 Luna. Ang DTF machine namin ay ginagamit ng 7 days a week na may total na 99 meters. Printer head. Capping. Head clean. Punas wiper after head clean. Nozzle check. Ang ink system namin level ay tama lang. Ang waste tank namin ay nalinis kahapon. PBR. At ang ground wire. Ito pang stock namin ng unused at use. Ito pang stock ng aming film at powder. Ang ink na nagamit, white, cyan, magenta, yellow, black, film, at powder. Ito naman ang aming daily output. Printer daily checklist. Yun naman po, salamat.